CAST, Center for Autonomous System Technologies, created a venue for collaborations between TII and Caltech. And with this collaboration, we tested the limits of both groups in creating new ideas and new systems.
TII is the Technology Innovation Institute in Abu Dhabi. We have been trying to establish a leading role in the technology development in the country. And we believe that we succeeded on this.
Because of the deep collaboration with TII, we're able to take on these much bigger problems. So it is really a blending of these two worlds together. And the hope is we get the best of both worlds. So right now, robots can fly, robots can drive, and robots can walk. Those are all great in certain scenarios. But how do we take those different locomotion modalities and put them together into a single robot that has the ability to walk, fly, and drive? When is the sum of the system greater than its parts?
This is quite an interesting challenge to overcome because this is one of the first attempts to have a multimodal robot where we bring three different modalities together. There is the ground vehicle, there is the aerial vehicle, there is the humanoid. And all of this comes together in some sort of collaboration that allows us to overcome many use cases.
The challenge is how to bring different robots to work together. So basically, they become one system providing different functionalities. With this collaboration, we found a perfect match to solve this.
We installed different kinds of sensors from LiDAR, cameras, rangefinders, and we combined all this data to understand where the robot is. And the robot understands where it is in order to go from one point to another. So we bring the capability of the robots to move around with the autonomy. And this is what makes the collaboration very fruitful.
The white drone that we built for this demo contains the TII's cutting-edge flight controller and computer technology called the Saluki. And so by putting that into our drone, we're opening new possibilities for autonomy and safe autonomy that is not subject to cyber attacks or other adversarial attacks on our drone.
My part was to say, one, how do we attach this drone to the humanoid robot, but also how do we actually lease a drone from a humanoid robot? This is the demo. It was a very important step towards this multi-robot collaborations. This is the first time a drone and a humanoid has been working together in this way.
And doing this face-to-face, interacting with people, starting to get to know each other, this is very important.
Our TII collaborators focused on autonomy, and Caltech's team focused on locomotion modeling and controls, and Northeastern focused on morphing robot design, mainly M4 robot design. And we had a great connectivity between the research members.
Working with TII has been a great opportunity for me. It's an experience that opens our horizons in terms of how we can create new technologies with partners from across the globe and tackle challenging problems that are relevant not only here, but in an international context.
We are very appreciative of the leadership at TII. They align very much with what we think future of science and technology should be.
These kind of demos is where you really see that you are making something that is new, something that no one else can do. And this is what makes us proud.
This is why we're engineers, right? Is you get to change the world. You get to do things that have never been done before. And when that all comes together in this kind of symphony of motion, it's beautiful. And this demo was one example of all the things that we can do together as a team.